this episode of The Food Plane, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes that are so fluffy, light, and irresistible. Now, pancakes are not originally American. They have been around for thousands of years in various forms across different cultures. However, the modern American pancake, which includes baking powder for fluffiness, was developed in the 19th century. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I love the all-American breakfast, the toast with the butter, the home fries, whether it's pancakes, French toast, or waffles, or the sausage, bacon, eggs, and cheese, and top it off with a cup of orange juice, and I am one happy boy. So today, I'm gonna show you how to ditch that box forever, and you're gonna learn how to make your own amazing pancakes, and here's what you'll need. So in one bowl, I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients, and then in another, I'm gonna add all the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna mix them together in a mixer. And I'm gonna just mix it. You don't wanna over mix pancake batter. That's one of the secrets. You don't wanna over mix it. So what I'm gonna do in here is I'm gonna give it a quick swirl so that everything is incorporated properly. Remember also the egg and the milk should be at room temperature so everything cooks evenly. So I'm gonna give this a quick swirl because I don't wanna over mix it. So it's gonna be really quick. So notice I had the dry ingredients and then I added the wet, and then we're mixing them together. Listen, every week here on the Food Plane on Saturdays, 10 a.m., we travel to a whole different part of the world through its food. I show you foods from all around the world. We've been to the Middle East, we've been to Japan, we've been to Italy, we've been to Puerto Rico, we've been to Jamaica. Well, I thought we might stop here in America. When I think of American food, oh, there's so many things to think about, but the American breakfast is my favorite. Dance break. So once the batter is mixed, you want to put it to the side for maybe about 20 minutes and just let those bubbles come up. Let everything activate. Now with the pan, you don't want it too hot and you don't want it too low. So you want it somewhere in between there. And I'm not adding a whole ton of grease to the pan, just enough for it not to stick. How do you know when the pancakes are done? When you see all those bubbles on top, you give them a good flip and look at that. So I'm gonna do about 4 of those. The recipe I gave you is for 8. Hey, press that subscribe button. If you enjoy fun food fact videos and delicious recipes just like this, then hit that subscribe button. Become a passenger of the Food Plane. Tickets are always free. Every Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we visit a different part of the world through its food. So look at the bubbles here, and then right when you see that, a little browning on the side maybe, but I look more for the bubbles, not so much for the browning. And then look at that, another flip, and these are perfect. So take this recipe, and I dare you to make these pancakes at home, whether you want to put maple syrup, fruits, or sometimes I'll do brown sugar and bananas with pecans. Or in this case, I'm going to do a glaze with some 10x sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and a little bit of milk. And there you have it. You've just learned how to make your own pancakes. It's really that quick and it's really that simple. Let me know in the comments, how do you like to have your pancakes? Maple syrup, glaze, honey, with fruits? Let me know in the comments. Until next Saturday, see you passengers.
Pancakes.